Hey everyone, it's Andy with barchefs.com. I'm going to show you how to install our LED flex signs today. Sometimes we call them neon, LED neon, and you can find those on the website at barchefs.com. They will come with their sign and some holes that are already pre-drilled into your sign, and then we'll supply usually some standoffs, and the size may depend on the installation. Here you can see a 1-inch standoff, and it's got a 1-inch top screw that goes in. Here's a 1/2-inch standoff and some clear standoffs. All standoffs will usually have these little rubber gaskets. One is designed to go on each side of the sign to prevent over torquing of the sign in installation. For the install, I will need a little hammer, a power drill with my drill bit that's correctly sized for my anchor or my toggle bolt or however I'm installing the sign. I'll also need an extended bit Phillips or a handheld long drive. So in this case, I'm going to be installing this sign using some typical sheetrock anchors. And I'm also going to take my pencil and I'm going to place the sign on the wall, and then I'm going to maybe quickly level it, depending on the installation and how this is going to be installed. You may have to measure the height or the location. For now, we're just going to put it right here. You're going to take your pencil and try to accurately mark those holes. Now, I'm marking directly on the wall, but you can use some masking tape on your wall and write on the masking tape. That way you don't have any pencil marks. I'm getting ready to drill through them, so I'm not too worried about it in this case. Next, I'm going to take my drill bit that's sized for my sheetrock anchor, and I'm going to drill those holes as accurately as I can in the center of that pencil mark. Next, I'm going to take my sheetrock anchors and install them on the wall. Now I'm ready to install my standoffs. This will require removing the large cap screw, taking your sheetrock screw and dropping through it. And in this case, we're going to use the 1-inch standoffs. So I'm going to place my 2 rubber gaskets down. I'm going to take my bit and I'm going to securely fasten that to the wall. Just repeat on this one. Alright, now our standoffs are on the wall nice and tight. We're going to take our rubber gaskets and place one on each end of the sign. Have it ready to go. Your sign will simply locate. Now you can tighten up these screws. After that, I'd recommend cleaning up your sign really fast. At this point, you're ready to plug in and light it up. So if you have any more questions, you can email us at sales@barchefs.com. Hope that helps you with your installation.